In just the last few weeks, AI-powered coding tools have been quietly shifting the tech landscape. But which ones are leading this revolution? From Bolt new to GPT 5.6, we're diving into the top trends that will shape your future coding experience. Imagine you're developing an app today. You got a deadline, and the clock is ticking. Suddenly, your editor suggests a solution you never imagined. Suggestions so precise, they feel almost like magic. That's the power these new tools are bringing to developers' fingertips. But which ones stand out? Which tool will not just help you code faster, but also rewrite how we think about app development? Moonshot AI has just released its Kimi K3 model, marking a significant leap forward in large language models. OpenAI is gearing up with Sol, Terra, and Luna models of ChatGPT 5.6, promising to transform the way we interact with our code. Even Visual Studio Code 1.129 is stepping up with built-in agent support, making real-time collaboration a seamless process. But here's the catch. Every tool has a story. Every model comes with its own set of challenges and potential. And in this race to the future, the top contenders aren't just tools. They're gateways to a whole new way of thinking about code. So which one will you choose? Bolt new, GPT 5.6, or something else entirely? But here's the part nobody saw coming. This isn't just about coding. This is about transforming industries, democratizing expertise, and redefining what it means to build a future with technology. Are you ready for that change? Moonshot AI has just dropped its latest large language model, the Kimi K3. With over 100 billion parameters, it's setting new benchmarks in AI coding tools. But can a single tool really redefine the industry? Stay tuned. The Kimi K3 is no ordinary model. It's the culmination of years of R&D and represents a monumental leap forward. Moonshot AI CEO Dr. Lena Voss announced the release with these words: Kimi K3 isn't just another model. It's a game changer designed to push the boundaries of what we can achieve with AI in coding. But why should you care? Because Kimi K3 has already started making waves. Developers around the globe are beginning to integrate it into their workflows, and preliminary tests have shown impressive results. For instance, a team at Bolt.new reported a 25% increase in productivity just by switching over. Here's the real kicker. Moonshot AI isn't stopping there. They're positioning Kimi K3 as not just an improvement, but a new standard for large language models. The CEO of GPT 5.6, Mark McNeely, when asked about the competition, remarked, Kimi K3 is significant because it sets a new bar that others will have to match or exceed. But can one tool really redefine the entire industry? That's the big question on everyone's lips. As Bolt.news head of development put it, if Kimi K3 lives up to its hype, it could change how we develop software. So, which tools will make the cut? And just how will they shape the future of app development? And speaking of groundbreaking models, OpenAI has rolled out its latest GPT 5.6 family, including Sol, Terra, and Luna. This massive upgrade could be the tipping point for AI in coding, but which one will dominate? The numbers are staggering. According to Mark McNeely from the New News in AI, these new models boast a 40% increase in parameters compared to their predecessors. That's over 1 trillion more parameters than GPT 5.5. Think about it. More context, better understanding, and faster coding. But here's the twist. OpenAI is not just stopping at Sol, Terra, and Luna. Each model has its own unique selling point. For instance, Sol shines in text generation, Terra excels in code optimization, and Luna delivers unparalleled natural language processing. Every step of your coding journey could be transformed by these models. Imagine a world where you can seamlessly switch between these powerful tools to get the absolute best out of your development process. But which one will rise above the rest? The competition is fierce. Moonshot AI's Kimi K3 model, for instance, has already set high standards with its proprietary training techniques and unique architecture. But OpenAI isn't just talking the talk, they're walking the walk. According to their official release, the GPT 5.6 models are designed to tackle complex coding tasks with ease, making development more efficient and innovative. But which one will you choose? Will it be Sol's precision in text generation, Terra's optimization prowess, or Luna's natural language fluency? One thing is certain. The landscape of AI-powered coding is about to get a whole lot more competitive. And which tool you pick could mean the difference between leading the pack and being left behind. Meanwhile, Microsoft is beefing up its VS Code with a dedicated agent host process. This update isn't just a tweak. It's a step toward fully integrated AI in your development environment. Are we witnessing the future of coding? VS Code 1.129 introduces something revolutionary: a dedicated agent host and an experimental agents window editor. These are minor features, folks. They're the first steps in turning versus code into a true AI-powered IDE, where code suggestions, refactorings, and even entire sections are generated by intelligent agents. Imagine opening VS Code tomorrow and seeing it suggest not just the next line of code, but the next 100 lines based on your project's context. This isn't science fiction, it's coming. And with this update, Microsoft is setting a new standard for what developers expect from their tools. But here's what almost nobody is talking about. These agents aren't standalone. They're part of a larger ecosystem. Microsoft is laying the groundwork to integrate AI not just into VS Code, but across its entire suite of developer tools. The Kimi K3 model and OpenAI's GPT 5.6 might be impressive, but if VS Code can leverage them seamlessly, it could redefine how developers work. So, are we really seeing a future where coding is done by you and your AI? Or will these agents just be another layer of complexity? The stakes here are huge because the lines between human and machine creativity blur. And when that happens, everything changes. But what about AI governance? Google unveiled its expanded Gemini Enterprise portfolio, positioning it as a unified platform for building, orchestrating, and governing AI agents across large organizations. This isn't just another tool, it's a game changer. Imagine having the ability to manage your entire fleet of AI tools with the ease and precision of a conductor leading an orchestra. Google's CTO, Sundar Pichai, hit the nail on the head. With Gemini Enterprise, we can help organizations navigate the complexities of AI deployment in a structured and secure manner. This isn't just about managing code. It's about ensuring that every AI agent works seamlessly together, following strict guidelines and policies. But here's the really exciting part. Gemini Enterprise isn't limited to just one model or tool. It's designed to integrate with any AI system, including Moonshot Ai's Kimi K3 and OpenAI's GPT 5.6 models. This interoperability means that you can start small and scale up as needed without worrying about compatibility issues, because Gemini Enterprise has got your back. The stakes are higher than ever. With the rise of powerful new models like GPT 5.6, there's a real risk of AI becoming overwhelming chaos for businesses. But with tools like Gemini Enterprise, you can bring order to that chaos. So, which tool will lead the charge? Will it be Moonshot's Kimi K3 or OpenAI's latest Sol, Terra, and Luna models? Or perhaps Walden Robotics' general-purpose robots are already making waves in your backyard? Stay tuned for what's next. The future of AI is here, and it's all about governance, integration, and control. You thought we were done with the big news? Hold on to your hats, because there are two more game changers in the pipeline, both shaking up the industry from different angles. First off, Walden Robotics has just launched out of stealth with a staggering $300 million. The goal is clear: build and deploy general-purpose robots that continuously learn and improve while performing real work. Imagine robots that adapt to your needs on the fly, learning from each task they undertake. This isn't some far-off dream. Walden Robotics is here, armed with billions of dollars in support. But wait, there's more. At the World Artificial Intelligence Conference, WAIC 2026, BrainCo made a mind-blowing debut. They showcased the world's first integrated brain-to-robot AI R&D platform. Think about it. Robots that can interpret your thoughts and respond accordingly. This isn't just theoretical. It's happening right now. Now, some might dismiss these innovations as niche or overhyped. But here's the truth. These technologies are not just stepping stones. They're signaling a new era where AI is no longer abstract, but deeply integrated into our physical world, driving real-world tasks and transforming how we interact with technology. But hold on a second. You might be thinking this sounds like science fiction. And that's the beauty of it. It's already here. Walden Robotics and BrainCo are leading us there faster than anyone anticipated. The question is not if these technologies will change everything, but when. So where does all this leave us? These innovations are more than just new tools. They're the dawn of a future where physical AI and brain-computer interfaces are seamlessly woven into our daily lives. They're setting the pace for what's next in app development, coding, robotics, and beyond. If you want to stay ahead of this, you know what to do. Subscribe now so you don't miss a beat. And as for what's next, I'll be right back with the latest from the cutting edge. Stay tuned.